Hey guys, what's up? So in this video, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the whole process when it comes to setting up Google Shopping. A lot of people have asked me how to do it. They've been asking for a tutorial. So this is what I'm gonna give it. And this is exactly what I'm going to give to you guys. I'm going to be showing you guys the whole process, just like with the last Instagram course. I'll be giving away a whole Google Shopping course. What I'm going to do is, with this store Bomber and Company, I'll be setting up their Google Shopping from the very beginning, showing you guys the whole A to Z process. And if you guys want to basically want to watch me do the exact same thing with another branded store called musicchest.com, you would check that out in the description, and I'm selling that for an insanely cheap price. So check out that course, like it's a steal. So I'm giving you guys away a course first, and if you guys want to basically watch a more in-depth version, basically pretty similar, but remember, I'm giving away everything first. You guys could check out the upsell where I basically take you through a bit more in depth for another store. But here is the first episode of this Google Shopping course that I'm giving away on YouTube. Hope you guys enjoy. Peace. Hey guys, what's up? This is a new store, Bomber and Company. Let me show you what it looks like. This is a store, and we're going to be setting up for Google Shopping, and we're going to start driving sales to all these cool, crazy, tactical products. Alright, let's get started. So we're going to go into the Bomber and Company Shopify store. And what we're going to do is we're going to install Google Shopping first. Google Shopping. Awesome. This is it. Install app. Connect a Google account. I'm going to sign in. Awesome, now it's connected. Now you have to connect it to a Merchant Center account. Alright, so what we're going to do is log into the Bomber email for Gmail. Awesome, we're in. Now I'm going to sign up for Google Merchant Center, based in the United States. Bomber and Company. The website, this is the website, bombertactical.com. Uncheck this. Continue. I agree. Continue. Verified. Claim your website. Awesome. Finish. And done. The Merchant Center is set up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to then link it to my AdWords. So this one is, I think, probably Bomber and Company's AdWord account, but I'm going to link it to my own one, so I can run it from my account. Okay. Other AdWords account, I'm going to go ahead and put in this one. Copy. Close this tab, paste it here, send link request. Awesome, now I'm going to go here, linked accounts, details for Google Merchant Center, Bomber pending, view details, perfect. Approve. So that was the whole process to link it. You have to go to linked accounts, scroll down to Merchant Center, click on details, you find it, you click approve, and I linked it just then. So that was pretty fast and easy. Thought it was going to be more complicated, but I think I've done it enough that I intuitively was able to do it and figure it out. Now you're able to go back to Shopify. I'm going to actually log into Bomber and Company's account. Allow. Awesome. And now there's the bomber company. Google Merchant Center, that's in. USD, target country US, yep. Shipping setting, domain setting, SEO. Let's see. So I'm going to go to the products. I'm going to check out the SEO. Let's do description, because all the descriptions are already nice. Default title, default description. Configure account. Awesome. Now all the products are pending. So that's good, but as you can see, we've got 8 products here. And that's the connecting process. So that was one of the most difficult part when it comes to Google Shopping. Everything from here and onwards is pretty easy, but once you get your store connected, things should be easy and fluid. Alright, so when it comes to Google Shopping, the hardest part is getting your store feed uploaded and approved, and it's super complicated. It takes like 3 to 5 days. Sometimes it takes 7 days, and then if it gets disapproved, then you have to re-upload it and you have to wait another 4 to 5 days. So it's really complicated, and that's exactly what happened with Bomber and Co. We had some complication, and I'm going to be showing you exactly how we resolved it and all the steps it took to resolve it. But yeah, I'll be showing you everything. I'll be showing who I called, who I message, who I chat with, whether do I talk to Google, do I talk to Shopify, and I dealt with the whole issue. So I hope you guys appreciate this free course I'm giving away, and yeah, enjoy. Alright, so it's been like 7 days, and for some reason all the products are still pending. You go to Merchant Center, so I logged in with the Bomber email, and it automatically shows you sort of this whole status type of thing. And as you can see, all our products got disapproved for being like sort of pocket knives. Despite that, you know, some of these are just keychains, bracelets, duffel sets, EDC kits. And another problem is, if you go on Google, you just search pocket knife, there's a bunch of giant pocket knives, whereas these are mini sort of knives that are available on Google Shopping. So what you have to do now is I'm going to go ahead and give Merchant Center a call and tell them the problem. And you know, if you go through the same problem, just follow me, click help, phone, and you give them a call. So they start at 9 AM, so I'll call them within an hour. But yeah, hope that helps, and I'll get back to you guys on the progress. Hey guys, so I jumped off a call with Google Merchant Center and they weren't able to help. So what they told me was I needed to remove the knife products, and I actually needed to contact Shopify support so they could re-push the feed. So right now, as you can see, I removed all the knives, and the only things that are left are these just normal safe products. You can't advertise anything that's weapons or dangerous. So now I'm going to have to contact Shopify to get them to re-push all these products. So you click on your name, click on Shopify Help Center, and it'll link you sort of to this. And then that gives you, a few options to contact them. You can either chat with them, the queue is really long, so I'm just going to probably send them an email. You could even jump on a call with them, but I was like an hour in, and like it was still on wait, and I had something going on. So phone and chat is definitely going to be a while, so I'm just going to send them an email, but I'll keep you guys updated. It's a long process, but once it's approved, things are going to just go uphill from there. And it's like a one-time thing. Alright, peace out guys. So as you can see, here is a template that I'm going to give to you guys. All you guys have to do is literally just copy it, copy exactly what I wrote. This is an email template that you could use when you reach out to
Shopify and ask them to re-push the products because you had some products that was not approved by Google. So yeah, this is literally everything. Just copy and paste it and you should be fine. Just change out your name, change out your store name, and everything should work out fine. Also, here's a preview of the messages of the conversation I had with Shopify when it came to chat support. You could see how simple it was. You just copy exactly what I said. You just ask them, yo, I had some products that got disapproved. I now removed it. Can you please help me re-upload my store feed? In the end, what he did was he said he'll have to get back to me because he wasn't too sure how he could do it. So I'll be waiting for his reply through email. But this process is all about troubleshooting. Once your products are uploaded and approved, things go uphill from there. As you can see, we're in the AdWords campaign right now. We're going to go over the whole process when it comes to setting up your first Google Shopping campaign. I'm going to literally take you step by step. So let's go to campaigns. You're going to want to click the plus button, click new campaign. Then you want to pick sales, shopping. Then you want to pick your Google merchant feed. It should be already connected. If you connected it correctly in the first video, then it should automatically pop up just like it does here. Then you want to pick United States, and then you want to pick standard campaign shopping. Awesome. Now we're going to put a campaign name. I'm going to name it Bomber and Company Google Shopping. You want to do manual CPC and you want to uncheck the enhanced CPC box. Usually Google's default is to get you spending more money. So whatever they recommend, you want to do the opposite. I'll start with a budget of 50. You can start from $20 to $50. You want to uncheck Google search partners. You want to do product shopping. You don't want to do showcase, and you want to name it the same, the ad group the same. So the ad group is like a Facebook ad set. You want to name it similar to that campaign, and you want to start with a bid of 30 cent. 30 cent is pretty safe, and it allows you to sort of validate and test products to see if it's worth increasing the budget, or straight away if you can cut a product. Like if it's unprofitable at 30 cent cost per click, then that product isn't a winning product. Now we're going to go over the settings one more time. As you can see, the name, sales, Bomb and Company, country United States, manual CPC. You want campaign priority to be low. Don't check the enhanced CPC checkbox. Low. Uncheck the Google networks, locations, United States. And you keep everything else at default. Basically, it is as simple as that. Alright, so in this video, we'll be going over Google conversion tracking, how to track all your sales that you get from your Google shopping campaigns. So let's go into the apps and go into the Google Shopping app. Now, what most people don't know is that once you install this app and you connect it to your Google Ads account and your Merchant Center account, it literally tracks everything. It's as simple as that. Back in the old day, you would have to paste your Facebook pixel onto the theme, onto the HTML, the back in CSS or something. But now it's as simple as pasting your Facebook pixel into that settings. So just like that, Google Shopping, you just have to install the app and you're good, and all your sales would be tracked. But if you aren't really too sure, sales aren't being tracked for some reason, and you want to sort of make sure that they are tracked, in the course below, I do go ahead and have a hard-coded version where we code some code from Google AdWords and we make a separate pixel for it, and I pasted it onto the musicchest.com Shopify checkout. So you could check that out if you're interested. But other than that, it's literally this simple. It's simpler than ever. And yeah, so don't worry, just install the app, connect your ad account, connect your merchant center, and you should be good. Hey guys, what's up? So it's been a few days, and here's the Google Music Chest campaign. As you can see, we got only 79 impressions. We spent 30 cents for one click, and all we got was one click. So let's go into the campaign. Music shop, Google, music chest, Google shop, Google shopping. Let's check the products. As you can see here, all our products, keywords, search terms. The one click we got was from someone searching Little Mermaid music box. So what I went ahead and did was I opened up a incognito Chrome and I typed in Little Mermaid music box. As you can see, our music box does pop up, but it's all the way down here. So our goal is to push it up. And I think one of the problems is because it's not keyworded right. It's like world finest handcrafted little music. Like you want Little Mermaid up in front, or you want music box up in front. So what we're going to do next is we're going to go back here. We're going to go to music chest and we're going to start optimizing all the listings. As well as we're going to go to AdWords. So let's go products. And we're going to be using the keyword planner to do researching on like the keywords we want. Keyword planner. Find new keywords. And then we'll start with, let's try with the Coco music box. Coco music box. Coco. So Coco Music Box actually has a really low average monthly search, but Coco on the hand has a pretty high search rate. So you want to sort it by average monthly searches. Coco, Coco Disney. Okay. So now let's try Coco Disney. Coco Disney. So this Coco movie, Disney. Alright, so based on all this research, this is how I'm going to do it. I'm going to change the title to Coco Disney Coco movie Disney music box music chest box. So that has a lot of keywords. What else can we do? So let's go back to just Coco. Get results. Disney. That's about it. So in the tags, I'm going to put in Coco, Disney, Coco, Coco movie, music box, music chest. Now let's get keywords for music box. Cool. Music box. Okay, so music box is like ballerina music box. There's stuff like this. Not too many searches, but music box itself is a pretty high search. Cool. Now you want to go ahead and have this title in the description 3 times. Oh, remember me. Coco movie Disney box. Coco movie Disney. Remember me. Music chest box. Yeah, that's nicely keyword. Copy that. Put it once in here. bold it, move that, and you want it in the description 3 times. Put it here. And then I'll put it one more time here. Awesome. So now it's in the description 3 times. That's the trick. Let's get this underlined. You also want to put into the image alt text. Put into the tags. Nope, guess it's too long. Now when you go down here, you want to put it into the SEO. Put it there. Put it here. And that's it. That's how you fully keyword and optimize a product. So save. And now this should help the Cocoa Box rank much higher when it comes to the Google Ads. And then you want to repeat this with all your products. You could also get a VA to help you do this. But yeah, that's how you optimize your product. So we'll monitor the ads over the next few days and see how it goes. What's up guys? So a few days gone past. As you can see, we spent only 55 cents. We got a bunch more impressions compared to last time. Last time we were at like 90, like probably around 60. And we got 2 more clicks than last time. Let's go into the keywords that these ads were shown to, so we could do a bit more research, search terms. But as you can see, Cocoa Music Box, Remember Me Cocoa Music Box, these 2 came up just because we optimized Cocoa. And as a result, they're popping up. So I'm going to go ahead and optimize the remaining of the products. I think there's like 13, 14 more chests. And I'll just do it, show you guys me going through each one by one. Usually I get a VA to do this, but since there's only 14 products and I want to show you guys everything, I'll just do it live with you guys. Alright guys, so we're going to figure out the best class max CPC. So right now I set it at 30 cents, and as a result it's not getting much impression. Yes, because I had to, these are the old optimized sort of titles, and I had to re-optimize it. Let's refresh it. Let's see if it's changed. Nope, it's still the old ones. But I'm actually going to go ahead and change the effective max CPC. So let's figure it out. I'm selling the product for $40. Let's increase the font to like 30. I'm selling, that's the product. The cost of goods, roughly it is like around maybe $7 shipped max, but I'm just gonna overshoot it, so that profit margin would be roughly around $33. Now if I want to liquidate and I just want to break even, then I could just have a cost per purchase at $33 each. Now I'm gonna get an average. Let's find my average conversion rate. So let's go to analytics. So this is, I'm breaking down all the stats and like breaking it down how you guys want to do it. Let's go last 90 days, apply. This is all organic. We don't run any ads at all on this store. This is organic 2.1k 2.1k just off our Instagram, YouTube. It's just all organic, 0 Facebook ads. But it looks like we have a small conversion rate of like 0.74%. 4% conversion rate. .74%. And remember, this conversion rate is for like low quality traffic. The traffic you get on Google Shopping are people who are looking to purchase something, so the conversion rate is going to be much higher. But let's say we shoot it and we lowball the conversion rate. So that means if we have $33 and we have a conversion rate of 0.74%, this would give us the max, oh, perfect, max cost per click. So the max cost per click we can afford is 24 cents. And as you can see, we set it at 30 cents, so we should be good. Let's say the conversion rate's actually like, maybe, I'm gonna say it's 3%, just knowing that it's Google Shopping traffic. They're going to calculate it. So I could actually shoot the cost per click all the way up to 99 cents. If the 3% conversion rate holds and yields, then I should be good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep it at 30 cents for now. And then after all the titles optimize with the new titles, I'm going to see if I get any sales. If any sales come in, then I'm going to see the conversion rate then. And then I'm going to slowly bump it up to $1, and that's how I'm going to scale it out. So this is how you find your cost per click. So eventually, if things run slow, I'm going to hit it, bring it up to $1 maximum. If I believe that the conversion rate could be as big as 4%, then I might even upgrade it to $1.32. And to know your conversion rate, what you want to do is just look at your clicks to conversion. So right now I got 3 clicks and 0 conversions. So based on clicks to conversions, I'm going to find out the average ratio, and then I could manage the maximum cost per click. On top of that, what you can do when you scale, you'll be having an individual cost per click for each product, because each product has its own stats, has its own conversion rates, blah, 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 blah. And that's how you scale out Google Shopping. All right, so this is how you make individual product groups. So you could go ahead and edit the cost per click per product. The campaign is finally up, it's green, and some products have been able to get approved. So that was a long process, but finally products are slowly getting approved, which is a good sign. So what you want to do is go on all campaigns, go to your campaign, then you go to product groups. Then what you do is you click the plus button. Now you click item ID, and you want to select all the items. Let's say you have 5 items. Then you want to click continue to edit bids. Then you go ahead and edit. Say now I want this product to have a bid of 60 cents, but made 20 cents. Then I want another product to have a bid of 50 cents, 80 cents. So, and then ideally you want to have multiple products to have, each one would have its own cost per click. Ideally, the more expensive the product is, the higher the cost per click would be, the max cost per click would be, and click save. And usually it should work, but for some reason it's not. But save without editing bids, maybe that, nope, cancel. But usually it would work, and all your products will be lined up down here with its new max CPC, and then in the future you go ahead and edit each max CPC. It's as easy as that. If you sort of want to get a real visual on what it would look like at the end, check out the course below, because when we do it with music chess, you'll be able to see all 20 music chests that we have, and the individual cost per click I set for each music chest. You'll be able to see it visually what it looks like. But as of right now, just imagine having all the products lined up down here, and you're able to edit each CPC after you split it up into product groups. So that's sort of how you do it. This got disapproved for some reason, so I need to check that out. But yeah, it's literally as simple as that. If you want to scale, you want to have each product have its own individual CPC that is tailored to that product. That is basically, you have to find the sweet point, the point where you have a CPC where it is getting a lot of clicks and sales, but you don't want to have the CPC too low where you're restricting how much impressions a product will get, and you don't want the CPC too high where you're paying too expensive for a sale. So you have to find that sweet spot, and we'll be talking about that when it comes to finding the perfect CPC. But other than that, hope you guys enjoy the video. Peace out. Hey guys, so let's go over product research. I want to be able to make sure that you guys are able to find and figure out what products to test. So here's an example. Let's change the country to United States. Save. So I'm the keyword planner, where you go to tools and you click on keyword planner, and you go to find new keywords, and you will type in, say, fidget spinner. You'll search and you see that there is 135,000 people searching out fidget spinner. So that is pretty good. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is, fidget cube. That's pretty cool. So you go fidget spinner. People are selling it for $1 to $3. And let's go on AliExpress to see how much it costs. Fidget spinner. Fidget spinners are going for the exact same price as Google Shopping, so you're not going to be able to compete. So let's try fidget cube maybe. Fidget cube. Fidget cubes are going for around average of $8. Let's check how much it's on AliExpress for. Fidget cubes maybe. Yep. Ooh, $1. $1 to $4. So again, the profit margin is a bit slim. It's not worth it. So how do you go ahead and find products? What I like to do is I like to go on Amazon bestsellers, and whatever sells well on Amazon usually would sell well on Google Shopping US. So as you can see, here is everything. Let's start with you want to go into different categories. So let's start with home and kitchen, for example. You'll go down here and you'll look for products. No-show socks. Let's give that a try. No-show socks. Damn, 22,000 people every day. No-show socks. Going for roughly $12, 12, 15. 12 for one pair. Now let's go here. No-show socks. $3. $1. As you see, I just found you guys a winning product, and that was just because I've been doing this many times, so I have a gut feeling I can scroll through this and look at products that are worth searching up. But this is exactly what a product could be. There's 22,000 people searching this every day, and like there's a $10 profit margin, and like 22,000 is high. That's really good. So this is an example of a winning product, and that's what you want to do. You want to use basically product research methods. There's a bunch on YouTube. I have my own product research course. I also give away, I have this webinar that gives away 7 product research methods. So that will be somewhere below this video. They'll have a link to that, and they'll give you 7 product research methods for free. But this is just one way. And what you want to do is use those product research methods and go onto Google and see if that product has a profit margin. And secondly, go on Keyword Planner and see if it has enough search term. But other than that, that is how you do product research when it comes to Google Shopping. Hey guys, what's up? In this video, we'll be going over how to scale Google Shopping. There's 3 things I do when it comes to scaling Google Shopping, and it's a bit different when compared to Facebook ads. Facebook ads, you're able to show your products in front of millions who have probably interest in that product, but they don't know. So you're putting the products in front of their eyes and they're going ahead and purchasing the product. But when it comes to Google Shopping, there's only a certain amount of people searching that product every single day. For example, Coco, there's only 100 people, let's say for example, searching that product every single day. And when you scale, you aren't able to show your Coco box in front of people who might be interested because they have similar statistics. So you can't use lookalike audiences or different interests to show your product in front of more people. You can only show it to people who search Coco music box. So you're locked to 100 products. So in this video, I'll be going over how to scale Google Shopping. So number one, pick products with high search volume. That is highly important. If you want a product that can make you money, you want there to be demand in it. You want people to be searching it every day. You want at least 5,000 monthly searches, maybe even 1,000 monthly searches is sort of pushing it. That's sort of the range you're looking for a product to make 5 to 10 sales every single day. Secondly, the product has to be profitable. A lot of the times you find you go to Google Shopping and you search up fidget spinner. The fidget spinner is going to cost like $4, and on AliExpress it's going to be, for example, say $3. There's going to be ad costs, and that's not going to be profitable. So you only want to pick products with profit margin. That is also highly important. So that is number one, finding products with high search volume as well as having a profitable margin, ideally over $10 in profit margin. All right, number two, for some reason it's labeled number three. You want tons of products. When it comes to Google Shopping, just as I said, you're limited to the amount of searches a product has. So what you have to do is scale horizontally. Facebook, you could scale vertically by showing that one winning product to a ton of people with similar interests. But with Google Shopping, you're gonna have to scale horizontally and have tons of products, having 100, 200, 300, 50 amount of searches every single day. And the more you have, the more volume and outreach you're gonna have. Now, number three, you want to remove unprofitable products, meaning once you have all your products in your store, you want to start filtering it. That's how you scale, by taking out all the unprofitable products, even products that just break even. You just want to remove them to decrease your cost per purchase for the overall shopping campaign. That is sort of what you want to do. And on top of this, you want to actually go into the negative keywords and remove keywords that aren't being profitable, keywords that are actually keywords that are either breaking even or not getting purchased once it hit profit margin. Same with products. The moment a product spends the break-even point amount, say if you have a break-even point of $15, the moment that product spends $15 for that campaign, you want to cut it. But yeah, other than that, it's as simple as that. If you sort of want to learn this more in depth, definitely check out the course below. It's hella cheap. I do the exact same thing for Music Chest. I sort of talk more in depth about these topics. And if you really want to take Google Shopping to the next level, you could apply to work with me one-on-one personally when it comes to Google Shopping and scale this to the next level. Other than that, I hope this helps. Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll be going over what is possible when it comes to scaling Google Shopping. A lot of people think Google Shopping isn't as scalable as Facebook. You can't really make much revenue off it, but I'm here to prove you guys wrong and show you guys live results. So this is one of my stores that I scaled with just Google Shopping. As you can see, I was able to scale to over $100,000. I was able to hit 3K days, and this was all over a period of a few months. And this is all done off Google Shopping. And today I'll be going and taking you through the campaigns that helped me get to these numbers. Again, this is just one of the campaigns because I scaled internationally. This is just a United States campaign, and this is one of the many campaigns. I had individual product campaigns, I had other country campaigns. All that will be seen in the insanely cheap course I'm selling in the description below. So definitely check that out if you want the full case study. But take a look. I was for this one campaign, I spent nearly $18,000. I got nearly 1,000 conversions, $18 a conversion, nearly $15,000, 50,000 clicks, and probably 30 cents per cost per click. Now let's go into the products. Alright, so the products are all gone since this is an old store, but I'll take you into the product groups. And as you can see, I had tons of products. There's probably a lot of products missing, but it shows only 120 product groups. But don't be mistaken, I had hundreds of products to make this work. And as you can see, I had a winning product that made me 172 purchases. Also, it doesn't add up. Something's wrong with it. Like if you add this, this, and this is obviously more than the total 271. And like, how did I end up getting 1,000? So a lot of data is missing. I'll show you what I can show you. This one product, I was getting cost per conversions of roughly $16 per conversion. I was getting 172 conversions. So this was definitely like one of my small winners, and I had the maximum cost per click as low as 15 cent Australian, so that's 10 cent USD. So that's sort of how you want to look at it. And obviously this product, it was a cost per purchase of 11. I excluded it, meaning that its profit margin was much lower. But as you can see, I had some oh, this one was $1. I'm pretty sure this product had a high profit margin. I remember this might be like a speaker or something where I was getting profit margins of roughly $30 USD, and I was only spending $8 USD per conversion, and I got like 33. So I had a high cost per click for this product. But as you can see, this one I spent $200. So as you can see, I definitely made some mistakes. So I just let it run, and it just sort of destroyed itself, and I just lost money. I definitely lost a bunch of money during this process. But as you can see, there's tons of products. So let's sort it by most conversions. Damn, that just puts things to perspective. Like I had several big winners with over 50 conversions. You could see we have a bunch of small winners that we're getting a few hits on, getting pretty decent low cost per purchases. You know, here's an $8 one. Here's a 13, 9, 7, 11, $5 cost per purchase, and I got 58 at $5. That's insane. And the fact that I had the max CPC at $1, meaning it has either a decent profit margin or I wanted to scale, so I increased the cost per click so I could get more impressions. But here is just one campaign showing how I was able to scale to over $100,000 in Google Shopping. Let's see how much I was spending. Costs. Damn. So at my peak, I spent, you want to be looking at the blue, I spent $700 and I only got 30 conversions. Maybe that's where I started losing a bit money, but like I optimized it and I stabilized, and things went down because I had to shut down my stores for some reason. Because I had to shut down my store for some reasons. But as you can see, like I was scaling, then it got a bit unprofitable. So I optimized, and from here, it would have kept on going stable. But something happened to my store and I had some problems I had to deal with, so I had to shut it down. But it would have continually went stable, and I would have been able to scale it to $200-300 a day. But lucky it was just a test. I wanted to prove the concept and actually see if it worked. And it did, and now I'm able to apply it to all my branded stores. But yeah, hope this one case study helped. If you want to see case studies for my international campaigns, my single product campaigns, definitely check out the insanely cheap course I have below. It's so cheap. You know, I'm already giving everything away for free. If you really want to put your foot and like master Google Shopping, I highly recommend it because there's a bunch of golden nuggets. I'll be applying everything here to another store, so it's a brand new example. But other than that, hope this helped. Peace.
Alright, so that was the video. If you guys want to learn how I got there and take it to the next level, check out the course below. It's hella cheap. You know, I already gave away a course for free. So if you want to really prepare yourself when delving into Google Shopping, I highly recommend you check out the cheap course I got below, because I basically do the same thing but to a completely different store, and I go more in depth and I actually give you more info. And there's probably things I forgot to bring up and I casually brought up when I was doing it with my second store, musicchest.com, and you know, you could pick up on those and that could come in really handy. So if you're interested in that, it's in the description below. Other than that, if you have any questions at all, drop it in the comment below. You know, slide into my DMs. I've been answering everyone, so definitely hit me up. Other than that, hope you guys enjoy the video. I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow. Peace. So that's actually the last episode when it comes to this course I gave away. You know, it was a pretty decent journey. I showed you guys literally everything from A to Z, making sure that you would have the enough knowledge I gave away for free for you guys to able to do it yourself, because I didn't want to be like those other YouTubers that sort of teased you guys with a little bit of information and then upsold you with a course. I wanted to give you literally everything, and I wanted to give you guys enough to make sure that you guys could succeed with the knowledge that I gave out. I want to congratulate those who went through this whole course I posted on YouTube. Congratulations on taking that first step and making it this far. Now you have to go ahead and just apply everything that is taught. Just go through the series again and watch video 1, apply what you learned in video 1. Watch video 2, apply what was taught in video 2, and just keep on going. And those who aren't really sure about one of these steps or sort of want to see it be done again with a different example, check out the course below. It's hella cheap. I don't know how long I'm going to keep the price this low. No one on YouTube is like giving away a course for free, as well as upselling a course for hella cheap. No one is doing it, so I'm gonna be the first, and I want to see how this goes. So check it out, you know, show some love. Also, if you have any questions at all, put it into the comments below. I'll be answering every single comment. Slide into my DMs, ask me any questions you have at all. But other than that, hope you guys enjoyed the series. Hopefully you guys appreciate me just giving away this whole course for free. Other than that, hope you guys have a good day. I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace.